Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. With the holidays just around the corner, what better way to get into the festive spirit than by baking some classic gingerbread cookies? They're spicy, sweet, and so much fun to decorate. Plus, they make your whole house smell absolutely incredible. So, grab your apron and let's get started on these delicious holiday treats. First up, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need all-purpose flour, some unsalted butter, light brown sugar for that lovely caramel flavor, and of course, molasses, which gives gingerbread its signature taste and color. We also need 1 large egg, a bit of ground ginger, some cinnamon, a pinch of cloves, and baking soda. All the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a large bowl, we'll whisk together our dry ingredients, the flour, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda. Just give that a good mix to combine everything evenly and set it aside. In a separate bowl, using a stand mixer or a hand mixer, we're going to cream the softened butter and brown sugar together until it's light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll beat in the molasses until it's fully incorporated, followed by the egg. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to get everything mixed in. Now, we'll gradually add our dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. You don't want to overmix it. The dough will be a little sticky, and that's perfectly normal. Once our dough has come together, we'll turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it a couple of times until it is smooth. Then, we'll shape it into a disc. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge to chill for at least 3 hours. This step is super important. It makes the dough much easier to roll out and helps the cookies hold their shape while baking. Alright, our dough is chilled and ready to go. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. On a floured surface, roll out the dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Now, grab your favorite holiday cookie cutters. I'm using some cute gingerbreadmen, stars, and snowflakes today. Cut out your shapes and carefully transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We'll bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once they're baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they're cooling, we can whip up some simple royal icing for decorating. Now you can let your creativity run wild. Use different colors, add some sprinkles, and just have fun with it. And here's a little tip. These cookies make a fantastic homemade gift. Just stack them up, tie them with a festive ribbon, or place them in a cute tin or box. It's a thoughtful and delicious present that everyone will love. Look at how beautiful these turned out. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you have a wonderful time making your own gingerbread cookies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday recipes. Happy baking!